they say when she walks in, the air just shifts.
Last night, y'all, at the end of the day, which my day probably ended like 3 a.m. this morning, I was just so like tense. I know I needed to detoxify my body, and I wanted to get a good night's rest, some sleep, and all of that. So baby girl, I did a 3 salt bath, and the 3 salts I used was pink Himalayan salt, I used sea salt, and I used Epsom salt. And if you don't know, you need to find out, because you're talking about so many amazing benefits that I'm going to list right here on the screen. You need to try it. And I promise you, today I feel like a new woman. I probably look like a new woman. I mean, I even feel less bloated. I swear, this morning when I got up, I was 3 pounds lighter. It really worked. I mean, I could even tell it in my face. It seems like my face was so puffy. Today, less puffiness. I love it. And I did use my double chin electric machine thing, electric gadget, but you know, I still feel a lot lighter. I feel less. Oh, I felt so heavy with everything yesterday. Today, so much better. But y'all check it out. So beautiful babes, over on Sweet Angel TV, I did promise y'all I would tell you how to make a 3 salt bath and its amazing benefits. A 3 salt bath is a simple but powerful self-care ritual that relaxes your muscles, detoxifies your body, softens your skin, and melts the stress right off you. Here's exactly how to make it and why it works. The ingredients: 1 cup of Himalayan pink salt, 1 cup of sea salt, 1 cup of Epsom salt. Just fill the tub with warm water, as warm as you can comfortably tolerate it. Mix all 3 salts in a bowl. Pour the mixture into the bath and stir the water so it dissolves. Now, soak for 20 to 30 minutes. Rinse off with warm water afterward, then moisturize. Now, the benefits of this 3 salt bath: you have the Himalayan pink salt. It's rich in 80 plus minerals. It helps draw out toxins. It helps to balance your skin's pH, and it helps in softening and brightening the skin. The sea salt naturally exfoliates dead skin. It helps with dryness and rough patches. It also contains trace minerals that nourish the skin. It may also help improve your circulation. And the Epsom salt is high in magnesium. It relieves sore, tight, and tired muscles. It helps in reducing swelling and inflammation. And it helps promote better sleep and relaxation. The combined benefits of these 3 salts are amazing. You get a powerhouse bath that detoxifies the body, relieves muscle tension and joint pain, softens and smooths the skin, helps reduce stress and anxiety, and supports better sleep. It also promotes overall relaxation and well-being. I love it, and it was so amazing. I just want to say, I am not a dermatologist or a medical professional. I'm simply sharing my own personal experience and what has worked for me. This video is for informational and beauty purposes only.
It's just that woman's magic. Yeah, come on. She don't chase nobody. She don't beg no love. She know her worth. She's lifted up above. Got that soft and that strong. She's the perfect mix. When she looks your way, boy, your heartbeat skips. She ain't got to say a word. Her presence speaks. Got that power in her walk, that truth when she speaks. You can't box her in. She's too divine.